All right, about to fire up the stove. We got it all fixed. We're going to see how long it takes to get to temperature. I have a 100-pound tank. It's 170,000 BTU. It's on high. All right, let's let her rip. You can see right now it's at 100 degrees from my last run. All right, here we go. Seems to go up pretty quick. Just got the new tank. I was using a 20-pound, but it wasn't working too good. Just did my first coat of primer, and it came out really nice. So going back, gonna heat it back up. We'll get to doing the color. Seems to stay pretty cold. The only thing really heats up is the back here. But probably just didn't put enough insulation in. But you can see it stayed pretty cold. Around the window seems to get a little hotter. Seems to be the window and the corners. That's my vent. Almost to temp. I try to put it up to 440, 450 just to get the part to flow out. So we're getting a 4-minute, 45 seconds. Ah, she stopped too short. Yeah, I was right around 5 minutes or so when she got to 4:45. So really, it's not bad. It's been working a lot better since I went from I had this at a 90 degree, so I went to a 45, and I added the bigger tank, and it seems to be working pretty well. All right, getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put my second coat on this. We'll see you on the next one. I could try to, after I'm completely done with it, I'll try to grab another video. I just got my rack built, roll-in rack. So much nicer. So, stay tuned. We'll get some color on this old girl. Gonna be using my Columbia Coating Hyper Smooth. I got that multi-coat nozzle, and I got a 1 pound hopper. So we're gonna give that a shot, see how it works. All right, we'll see you in hopefully a few.